Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by buying and equipping the metal detector. Make sure it's active in your inventory so it vibrates when near targets. Walk slowly along shorelines and around debris fields because the detector reads depth and material. This tells you whether to dig. Once you hear a stronger tone, stop and sweep methodically in tight arcs. This narrows the signal. If you're in a multiplayer session, move to quieter areas to reduce interference and increase chances of clean finds. Once you have a strong signal, sweep in concentric arcs while marking the loudest point. This helps you pinpoint the exact spot to dig. You need to interpret the audio. A steady continuous tone means you're nearly on top, while a pulsing signal suggests the target sits a little to one side. Make small, controlled digs to avoid destroying items. If nothing appears, widen your sweep by about 1 to 3 meters and repeat the triangulation until the detector. After digging, pick up the item and check your inventory for new collectibles or mission progress. Many finds sell for cash or unlock content. If you get no hits repeatedly, reload your session or change spawn zones because server glitches can hide spawns. Make sure you're not inside restricted areas. Move to different biomes like riverbeds or dunes to improve spawn chances. Finally, if the detector seems bugged, unequip and re-equip it, or restart the game to refresh spawn tables.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.